Can you transfer from Coinbase Wallet to bank account? Imagine you just sold your NFT for a tidy profit. You're sitting there, staring at the digital balance in your Coinbase wallet, thinking, how do I turn this digital dough into cold, hard cash? That's the question we're going to answer today. Can you transfer from Coinbase Wallet to your bank account? And if so, how? Before we dive into the specifics, let's understand a bit about Coinbase Wallet. It's a self-custody wallet, meaning you have complete control over your private keys, which are essential for accessing your crypto. This gives you more security but also more responsibility. Addressing the main question. So, can you transfer from Coinbase Wallet to your bank account? The short answer is yes, but with a caveat. The caveat: you can't directly transfer cryptocurrency from your Coinbase wallet to your bank account. That's because banks don't deal with crypto. Instead, you need to sell your crypto for fiat currency, like USD, and then transfer that fiat to your bank. Step-by-step guide. Let's break down the process. Choose a fiat on-ramp. Coinbase Wallet offers a feature called on-ramps. This allows you to buy crypto with fiat currency. But it also works in reverse. You can sell your crypto for fiat. Look for a reputable fiat on-ramp partner within the Coinbase Wallet app. Sell your crypto. Select the crypto you want to sell and the amount. Confirm the transaction and wait for it to process. Transfer fiat to your bank. Once the sale is complete, you'll have fiat currency in your Coinbase wallet. Look for the option to withdraw this fiat to your bank account. You'll need to provide your bank account details. Confirm the withdrawal and wait for the funds to arrive. Additional considerations. Fees. Be aware that there might be fees associated with selling your crypto and transferring the fiat. These fees can vary depending on the platform and the amount you're transferring. Processing time. It might take some time for the funds to reach your bank account. The exact time can vary depending on your bank and the platform you're using. Security. Always prioritize security when dealing with crypto. Make sure you have strong security measures in place for your Coinbase wallet, including two-factor authentication and a secure password. So, there you have it. You can indeed transfer from Coinbase Wallet to your bank account, but it involves a few extra steps. Remember to choose a reputable fiat on-ramp partner, be aware of fees and processing times, and prioritize security. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.